let's take a closer look at 2.13.4 random hurdles. The assignment says to write a program that has Carol run to the other side of First Street, jumping over all the hurdles. Carol should only jump if there's a hurdle blocking the way. However, the hurdles can be in random locations. Each world is 14 avenues long. You must write a function named jump hurdle as part of your solution and can use any of the control structures learned. So the first thing that I noted was we need to create a function called jump hurdle. Let's do that now. In order to jump a hurdle, it looks like Carol is going to need to turn left, move, and then turn right. Let's start there. So I want to test this out and see how far we've gotten. If I hit continue, nothing is going to happen. The reason for that is I'm still defining jump hurdle. I haven't called it yet. Let's come down here and call jump hurdle. And now let's continue. So as you can see, we're going to slow this down a bit. That was a little fast. Let's try again. As you can see, Carol turns left, moves, and then turns right. So I still need Carol to move forward, turn right again, and move. And let's see where that gets us. Reset and run. All right, the last thing Carol needs to do is turn left, reset, and run again. We'll speed it up a little bit this time. Okay, our jump hurdle function has been completed and it is working correctly. Now we just need to figure out, using conditions, how we can get Carol to only jump when there is a hurdle, and if there is no hurdle, to keep moving forward. We do know from the assignment that each world is 14 avenues long. So let's try using a for loop. We'll begin writing our for loop, and we know that there are 14 avenues. But what do we need to check? We need to check to see if the front is blocked. If it is blocked, we need to jump. So we can use our if statement. Front is blocked. And if it is blocked, that means there's a hurdle in our way and we need to jump. Make sure students are paying close attention to their indentations. This is where they seem to run into some trouble. Now I need an else statement, because I need something to happen if I'm not jumping a hurdle. So if it's not blocked, what am I supposed to do? I'm supposed to move forward. So we're going to put our else in here. And we're going to say if it's not blocked, then go ahead and move. So let's try this out. Reset and run. Oh, bad input on line 11. Let's check it out and see what went wrong. I have a semicolon here instead of a colon. Let's reset and run again. So the front is blocked. This is looking good. And we can speed it up. We made it. I wanted to try something else though. If you look in the docs area and you scroll down and you look at some conditions we can check for, you can check to see if the front is clear. So I'm wondering if we can reverse this and say if the front is clear, move, else jump hurdle. Let's try it. If the front is clear, move. Oops. Otherwise, jump hurdle. Let's give it a go and see. I'm going to go back to run code. I will reset and hit run. That way works as well.